In the shade of the banyan, where whispers weave, Kaulana called us close in hopes to relieve the village torn by discord. Hearts once astray found solace in the sage's wise, gentle sway. Oh, Ho'oponopono, a dance of the heart, where love and forgiveness play their part. Our souls align with the stars up above, in the cosmic dance of empathy and love. Dive into your heart, find the hidden tides. Like electrons or feelings where potential resides. Observe, acknowledge, let the shadows recede. Collapse the waves of emotion, let peace take the lead. Oh, Ho'oponopono, a dance of the heart, where love and forgiveness play their part. Our souls align with the stars up above, in the cosmic dance of empathy and love. We are the universe, not apart, but one, entangled in intention like the moon and the sun. Through forgiving and loving, we weave the harmony. Our hearts reflect the cosmos in infinite unity. As harmony blooms, the air turns light. Under the banyan's embrace, the spirit takes flight. Kaulana's wisdom, like waves on the sea, reminds us of the power in unity. Oh, Ho'oponopono, a dance of the heart, where love and forgiveness play their part. Our souls align with the stars up above, in the cosmic dance of empathy and love. In the vastness of the cosmos we find our place. In our hearts, the universe, a mirror of grace. Ho'oponopono, a gift from the wise, guides us to the